Okay, so welcome to the EL9000 programming tutorial. What we want to do first up is change your current code that you have in the system as well as the manager code. So first thing we want to do is we'll open it up. My code is 147258 star. And open the door. Okay, so once you've got the door open, on the inside you just remove the battery cover, just press the bottom there and lift it up. And on the back of the lock you'll see two buttons, an RC button and a 10 key. So these are the two buttons that we are going to use to program. So first thing we want to do is, if we refer back to page 10 on our programming booklet, the two steps that we have to do are on page 10, which is pretty straightforward. So we'll just go through the procedure and change the codes. So first thing we want to do is press the RC button and then enter the secret code or the user code that we've currently got. So we go to the RC button, which is the outside button, and hold it for 5 seconds. And the keypad will come to life. Then we enter the secret code or the user code we currently have, which is 147258. Press hash. And now we want to enter a new manager code. So the manager code we're going to change to 456789 and press hash. And then we enter it again, 456789 hash. Okay, so our manager code is now changed. The old manager code will not work. Next thing we have to do is change the secret code or the standard user code that you used to open the door. So we do the same again, except this time we press and hold the 10 key, which is the inside button. Hold that for 5 seconds. Keypad comes to life. And then we enter the manager code, which we change to 456789 and press hash. And now we enter a new secret code or new user code, and we'll change it to 123456 hash, and we enter it again. Okay, so now our code is changed. So we'll try 147258 star. That doesn't work anymore. So our new code is 123456 star. And so our code is changed and our manager code is changed. Next step we want to do is program our fobs, because now we've changed the manager code and all codes that were in the lock. It will wipe all the cards and all the fingerprints that were in there. So it's pretty straightforward. We just open the door again. We press the 10 key, which is the inside button. Just press it once, you don't have to hold it. The keypad's alive. Then you present your fob just in front of the 5. You'll hear a beep. And do it again without touching the keypad. And then press star. And that's our two fobs now programmed. There's one. Two. So our cards are programmed. Now to enter a fingerprint, it's the same procedure again. Go to the inside of the door, press the 10 key once, and then present your finger 3 times. So we go once, twice, 3 times, and then press start. Now that should be programmed with our fingerprint now.